Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I would like you to please hit like and subscribe. I'd be so happy you guys if you can frequent this channel as because in this channel I share and reflect as I test out some of the new applications out there that we can use, some of the technologies out there that we can use as teachers to embed them in our teaching and learning methodologies. So in this channel, I share some instructions, some prompts, tutorials as well. I also add in some references for the students out there who'd like to maybe use any of the videos and others. Okay, so if you will have time later, could you click the introductory video that I have as well, so that you will have a good introduction about what my channel is about. Okay, so to the old vlog, teacher Del Pilar here, and today I'm gonna talk to you about this recent app that I found online. Okay, and I use it in my class already, and I just think it's perfect for a flipped style classroom. You know, when you want your students to continue their dialogues, to continue their discussion amongst themselves. Okay, even outside their schedule with you. Okay, that'd be a great experience for them, and I think that is very much achieved through this app. It's called a Vialog. So Vialog comes from two words: videos and dialogue. Okay, so Vialogues support meaningful discussions around video. You know, videos, especially in our situation right now, video can be a really powerful instrument, you know, in which to engage our students. However, while videos are essential to the equation, the conversation surrounding these videos are what really characterized a Vialog. Okay, so it's not centered on the quality of the video, but on the discussion that's gonna happen surrounding that video. Okay, so Vialogs gives you the opportunity to participate in a focused environment, or if you are a teacher, this allows you to create a focused environment for your student to participate in, all right, wherein they are allowed to absorb the content of the video while commenting on it and discussing it along with everybody else who are commenting on the video. Okay, so to put simply, Vialogs allows you to embed a video with a chat feature. But chat in a good way because it is academic. Okay, so you can upload your own videos, or you can embed some YouTube videos or Vimeo clips maybe, and then you can create a Vialog and make it either public or private. I normally would use private and use the emails of the students. You know, just for me to train them as well to formally work on things. So when they receive things from email, that's formal, and also to secure my materials because they are of course my property, and since I work in a particular school, and that is school property as well. Okay, and alongside the chat, you can add polls or we can scaffold comments and questions that I want or you may want your students to consider as they watch the clip that you prepared for them. Okay, so now let me walk you through how to do this Vialog. Okay, so this is how a Vialog page looks like. All right, by the way, Vialog is project of this great team called EdLab. EdLab is based on Columbia University. So this one is free to use. Okay, so for those who are worrying about paying anything, this guys is free. Good people from Columbia University chose to or decided to share this to the public, so please make use of it. Alright, so these are examples of the Vialogues that I've already made, that I've created and students worked on. Maybe I should show you an example first. Okay, so this is the interface that's gonna be shown to your students when you give this to them, okay? So here I posted my questions, if you can read that on your own. And they are to respond to this question after they watch this video, okay? And then their comments or responses to these questions will be displayed on the right side of the page, okay? And you see here there is a respond button or sorry about that. Okay, there is a respond button, so students can click that and comment on each other's responses. Okay, for instance, this one, a comment from one of my students, and then there are replies to her comment as well from her classmates and peers. All right, so that's how a Vialog looks like. Again, that's how it works. Okay, so first off, if this is your first time to go to this, well, this should be your first time since you're looking for a tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so just open this vialogues.com in your search bar. Okay, then it will bring you to the Vialog web page, and then just sign up. It will just ask you a thing or two, your name and your email, whether you are a teacher or not. Okay, and then you'd be brought into this page. Okay, and how to create these activities. So on top of the page is your username, and then these are the number of people that look at them here, that participated in your Vialogues. And then right on the left of that is the create button. Okay, so you need to click that create button. Okay, then you will be brought to this page where you can create your Vialog. Okay, you start with, you see, this is so user friendly because it actually tells you step by step what to do. Okay, so let's follow it. First thing is to upload a video. All right, you can put your own video as it supports these types or these formats, or you can just paste a video from YouTube or Vimeo or whatnot. Okay, or from Vialogues. You can also search, explore the Vialog web page because other teachers, a lot of teachers are using it. So there are a lot of, if you want to look for climate change, let's see if there is anything on climate change. All right, so you see here a lot of Vialogues already on climate change. Yes, so the ones that are locked are private ones, and then there are also public ones. All right, So let's go back to creating the Vialog. Say for instance, well, in my class, so we're working on language and power. Okay, so maybe where I can use this video, all right, and put it here, and then just click add. Okay, so the video is there already. So you can create a title to your video. For instance, power in language, particularly on advertisements. Okay, so description. So in here you can type your general question that you want your students to comment on or to answer. Okay, for instance, we can ask, what are your thoughts about the language used the language used in advertisements in relation to power in language. Provide examples. Okay, and then visibility, it's either public or selective. Okay, so I just put it in public. Alright, you can add, if you want to share your Vialog to the other teachers, you may do so. So you can just add their name here, or their username, or their email, okay? And then there is an option on disable comments. I don't know why this is present here, because Vialog is definitely about comments. So if you want to disable the comment, you may do so, but what's the point? Vialog is about the comments. Alright, so I hope you were able to get that. Then we click create Vialog. And so the Vialog is here already. So this is the title, the name we created for this Vialog, power in language advertisements. And then this is the question that we typed earlier that my students will be working on after they watch this video. Okay, so this is also the part where your students will be able to write their comment. You see here, as soon as you type a comment, it will also show at what time did you write the comment. For instance, let's just play the video.
Model, or ELM, which divides your response to persuasion into two main categories.
Okay, so at the 45 seconds part of the video, you write something, you comment on something, or your student commented on something. Okay, and then they need to click post, and then that shall appear here. Okay, for instance, we say I didn't quite get the use of synthetic personalization in this part of the video. Personalization, why is that wrong, guys? It should be with S, and this one should be something like that. So you click here.
There's the central route where you thoughtfully consider a message or...
Okay, then your students can reply to that as well. Okay, so how do you share that? Just click the share button. Okay, so you can either embed this if you have your own website or in your own learning pages, or you can just give the direct link to the video. Okay, so what I usually do is I copy this in the Google Classroom. Okay, let me show you how I do it. For instance, let me open one of the classrooms. So I have some dummy classroom that I share with my co-teachers. Okay, for instance, let's use this one, and I can just put it here in one of the password. Okay, assignment. How did we entitle? What is the title? Okay, Control C. Just type it there. Control V. So click the link and work on the Vialog. Okay, so add link and then Control C and then add link and then Control V and then there it is. The Vialog will be there, then just assign it and it should show in the stream section of the Google Classroom or the classroom. Okay, so let's see, power in language, and then if I was a student, I'd click that and then I'll be brought here in this particular Vialog. Then I can watch the video and comment on the question posted by my teacher, or comment and dialogue with all the other comments by my classmates. Okay, so that's how Vialog works, guys. I hope you will be able to find time to incorporate this cool application to your classes. Perfect for this setup where everybody studies at home. This is perfect as well for a flipped classroom. Okay, I'll be done it yet. Could you like this video and hit the subscribe button, and then if you have time, go to my channel and browse through the different videos that I've already made for you. Okay, thank you again for listening and watching this video. God bless you guys. Bye.